Welcome back to Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I am, of course, your craft host, Sam, popping on to share with you a quick and easy, pain-free way to create an envelope in a pinch. Now, if you're anything like me and you want to attend, that last minute gathering with a note card for the host, or you remember at 11 o'clock at night that you have a birthday party that you got to take the kid to, and while you can make a card, you don't have the envelope to match. Here's a quick and easy way to make an envelope in a pinch without using any of the standard scrapbooking accoutrements needed for envelope making. So you don't need an envelope punch board, you don't need a scoreboard, you don't need a paper cutter. What you need is simply paper, scissors, pencil, ruler, and glue. And if you have any of those items, then you're good to go. Okay, so without further ado, let me go ahead and get started so I can keep the video under 5 minutes and let you move along in your day as well as I. Okay, so using an 8.5 and 11 sheet of copy paper, yes, I said it, copy paper, not scrapbook paper. You can use it if you have it, but if you don't have it, printer paper is perfectly fine. Using 8.5 by 11 copy paper, you want to take your card, and let me turn this the opposite way. This size paper is good for cards up to 4.5 by 6 inches, okay? So if you're making a card and it's that size or smaller, you can use this same technique. If it's larger, then you'll need a 12 by 12 sheet of cardstock or paper, okay? So here's what I normally do. I take my card, I place it on the sheet of paper. I go 1 inch down. So here's your ruler. You go 1, and well, here I'm going 1.5 inches down, or 1 and 2/4. 1 1/4 inch down. Put your card. Make sure that it is straight, okay? Or simply just take your paper, take your ruler, draw a line across, okay? Then put your card here. What you want to do is fold that 1 inch or 1.5 or 1 1/4 inch down. A straight fold. You have the sides to guide you, so no need to get panicky, okay? Your card is still going to be here. While the card is still here, you'll take the bottom half of the paper and fold it up. Now, if the bottom half exceeds the top part, this here fold here, you'll cut off the excess, and you'll see how much of that you'll need to cut off in just a moment, okay? Now, to get this cutout part that you'll use so that the card can be removed easily, I use a quarter. Now, this in my hand is not a real quarter. This is a plastic quarter from my son's money counting kit for school, okay? I put it down halfway, trace around it the halfway. This part is going to get cut out, okay? So once I have this folded up, you do not need a boning folder. Once you fold it, you take a ruler or something with a flat edge and you crisp your fold. You do that for all of your folds, okay? Fold that back, keeping your card here. You'll take the side, fold it over, crisp that edge, okay? Do the same for the opposite side. And what you'll have is an area with 1, 2, 3 sections at the top, middle, and bottom. The top corners are going to get cut. Now, if you'll notice, there's this area right here drops below the fold line. This is 1/4 inch. No, this is actually it's 1/2 inch below the fold. What you'll do is you'll draw a line from the fold to 1/2 inch down, the fold, and 1/2 inch down. Mark that. That's going to be a part of the part that you cut out. You'll do a cutout for the bottom outside corners. And then you'll cut out the top notch. Okay? The top notch. We are the top notch, aren't we? Okay, and so this is what you'll end up with. Is this. Okay? So once you've cut everything out, you can take that quarter. It'll be right here. for these rounded edges. I did not use a corner punch for this. I simply used the quarter. So again, you don't need all of those tools, card making tools. You simply need to be creative. So you trace on the outside of that, and this is what gives you the rounded edges. So what you do, you fold this up. Actually, you fold the flaps on the inside. This is going to be adhered on these flaps. So you can either use tape, which is suggested, double-sided tape, crafter's tape, or a very little amount of glue. You'll glue this part right here. Being sure not to use too much because you don't want to glue the envelope shut. And then this is what you have. So I hope this video helps you in a pinch. I hope it helps you get some cards out last minute, and most of all, I hope it encourages you to just put some cards out in the mail or hand some off to some people you think are awesome, or you want them to know that you notice them or that you're thinking about them, okay? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any future project shares, hauls, tea updates, and all the things that I'm on here doing. All right, you can feel free to share this video on your social media. I would greatly appreciate it as I continue to grow this crafty channel and community. And if you have a need or a desire to expand your horizons, you are more than welcome to join us at the Maker Exchange on Facebook. The link is below. It's a Facebook community of amazing crafters and creatives of all different varieties, sewing, painting, scrapbooking, card making, paper crafting, the list goes on and on. But feel free to drop by and just check us out and see if you like what you see. You can stay and hang. In the meantime, until we're back here again on YouTube together, stay encouraged, blessed, creative, and crafty. Bye for now.